Welcome to the neighborhood.
Well, no getting back up that way.
Oh dear, oh my. You seem to be stranded in the basement.
How do I get out of here, Ricky?
Oh, haven't a clue. Never come down here myself. Why? What's got your overalls in a knot?
I'm trying to get to the roof.
The roof? Look, you gotta give up this nonsense about the antenna. Looks very bad. Very unprofessional.
It's my job.
Look, Gordy, I know our routine's a little rough, but don't judge a show by its pilot. Incidentally, I would hide again.
What is it this time?
Well, Ray, of course. He's the best sort of monster janitor thing, but doesn't like it when people intrude on his territory. Tends to get a bit grouchy. One might say, assault happy?
Great. Are all of you puppets crazy?
Well, Ray has always been a little grouchy, even before the shutdown. That's why they moved him down here. Only way out is by elevator, and he can't figure out how to use the buttons. Didn't help, though. He goes through the pipes.
Elevator. Got it.
Oh, silly me. I forgot about the elevators. Really, Gordon, I wouldn't bother. The cables are probably rusted. I don't think they even run anymore.
I'll take my chances.
Wow, you're so courageous and stuff. Look, I gotta go wash my hair.
Stupid puppets.
When you go to the park, bring some food for all the wild animals. For birds, you can bring sunflower seeds. For squirrels, you can bring peanuts.
Let's get writing.
Welcome.
Cuba, could you get the phone? My mom sometimes asks me to pick up the phone when she's busy. I used to be scared about talking to whoever called, but now that I've gotten used to it, Lunch is my favorite meal of the day. I always eat the food that most represents how I'm feeling at
I
lunch.
learned my numbers when I was a kid.
Oh,
Here, let me show you how I learned. Hold your hands up in the air. Now bring them down in front of your face. See? That's 2 heads. Now, take one of your hands, put it in your mouth.
Hey! Who's there? Jeez, that gave me a scare. What was that?
Boy, do I have just the thing for you.
You
Oh,
get upset.
shoot.
Do you let it get you down? Let me tell you about the time my friend Leonard got me all upset. First, I beat him to the ground. Then I stomped his face. Then we started laughing at each other, and everything was okay. That's why you should always try to make friends with friends who will forgive you. Yeah, there is a fight around here. Oh, that these pieces are pretty good. I can't get into them. Oh, maybe I will win. I'm a friend. I'm a friend. Friendly. I'm here to educate the children. They will clamor until your ears. When are we starting? Why are we starting? Why don't we keep hanging out? I'm here to educate the children. Whoa, 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 whoa. What's the alphabet?
when you go to the park,
A is
bring
for
some food for all the
Aphthymalides.
wild animals.
B is
For birds, you
for
can bring
Molestus.
sunflower seeds. Squirrels,
Wow. Wonder how deep this goes.
When you go to the park, bring some food for all the wild animals. For birds, you can bring sunflower seeds.
Hey y'all, I'm Norman. I'm a really normal guy. I'm a friend.
Why don't we keep hanging out together?
We're restarting now? I want to make new friends. New friends sound very...
Strange kind of breaker box.
You can do all sorts of things. Grab your pencil and let's go on an adventure.
Wow, see? You made the International Hazard Sign.
So
Take
first,
that to
make
whatever
a
door
big,
you're
big
gonna
triangle.
get your waist to.
Just take your hand, make 3 lines, and let's... Welcome. We can teach them. We can teach them. La 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 la
Oh, let's see here. What does Norman notice? Norman notices Leonard! Wow, I can't believe you noticed me. Oh, I notice all sorts of things. Here, let's play again. Now, I notice, cameras, lights, producers, children. Notice the children! Norman has noticed! Norman has noticed! Oh, sure is lonely these days. Well, it's time for, what does Norman notice? Oh, let's see here. Does Norman notice?
Lunch is my favorite meal of the day. I always eat the food that most represents how I'm feeling.
Where are we starting? Are we starting now? Sleeping can be
Music?
the best part of your day.
Music! Oh, I love it so much! You've never heard music before? Hey!
I go to the bathroom and grab my toothbrush. We're all friendly here. Friendly. I love to sing. I wonder what happens when I scream. Sleeping can be the best part of your day. I always start by getting ready for bed. First, I get my PJs on so I can be warm and comfy all night. Next, I go to the
When you
bathroom.
go to the park,
Toothbrush.
bring some
You
food
can put
for all
any
the
of your
wild
favorite
animals.
condiments on your
For
toothbrush.
birds, you can bring
I
sunflower
choose
seeds.
Worcestershire
For
sauce.
squirrels, we
Then
can
I start brushing my teeth.
dogs, we can bring squirrels. For green I wonder what happens when I scream. I can spew all sorts of things. I love to sing. The mail comes every day. Welcome. Oh, no! Sleeping can be the best part of your day. I always start by getting ready for bed. First, I get my PJs on so I can be warm and comfy all night. Next, I go to the bathroom and... The mail comes every day. I look out the window waiting for the moment it appears. And then when it does, I rush outside to see what I got. Sometimes it's a little piece
You
of
can do all sorts of
Sometimes
things.
big boxes.
Let's go
No
on
matter
adventure.
what, I always open it immediately. My favorite new pair of socks? I got
So
it
first,
in the mail.
make a big triangle. Just take